Have you ever watched a video that just felt empty? That's because sound effects can completely change the way your edits feel. In this video, I'll show you how to add epic sound effects in CapCut PC to make your videos more engaging. You can bring your transitions and on-screen movements to life, or adding an extra touch of flair to your motion graphics. I've prepared 3 transitions for you, and I'll show you how to spice them up by adding sound effects. First, go to Audio, and then go to Sounds Effects. You can dig into Trending, or in my case, I want to use an effect that sounds like a swish in the air. You have 4 options. What to type into the search engine to find these sounds: swish, whoosh, fua, and zoom. I use effects from these categories in 80% of my videos. Choose a few, give them a star, and use them over and over again so you don't have to spend hours searching for the perfect effect every time. I'll start by typing swish into the search engine and hit enter. I already have 2 that I have a star on. The first one is a bit short, but the second one is okay. So I'll drag it to the timeline. Find the moment in your transition where the animation starts and set the start of your audio there. Now I'll just turn down the volume a little so it's not distracting. Make sure the sound effect is subtle. It should grab attention, not give your viewer a heart attack. For the second transition, I type zoom into the search engine. I'll look at the first 2 sound effects, and in this case, I like the first one better, so I'll put a star next to it and drag it to the timeline. I'll adjust the sound a little again and move the sound effect to the moment where the transition animation begins. Let's look at the last transition. Based on this transition, I would type glitch into the search engine. I've already marked that I liked this one in the past, so I'll use it right away. Set its position and volume and move on to another type of sound effect. Now that you know exactly how to search for sound effects, I'll give you a few quick tips. If you want to move an avatar or object around the screen, use the effects from these 4 categories we mentioned. Lastly, I recommend occasionally using a pop-up effect when something appears on your screen. You can also add a typewriting sound or other effects to bring more life to your video. Just don't overdo it, so it doesn't become annoying or make editing take forever. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.